Clean air is essential both for our well-being and the environment. Did you know there is a web-based tool that can help reduce your exposure to roadside air pollution? In the Global Centre for Clean Air Research at the University of Surrey, a world-renowned multidisciplinary centre, we are working towards a global vision of clean air for all, with a focus on improving indoor and outdoor air quality. Since 2014, we have been exploring how green infrastructure can protect us from air pollution. Our cutting-edge research helps schools, municipal planners, architects, and gardeners create healthier urban environments. We also conduct activities to raise awareness on air pollution and co-design solutions with the public and stakeholders through our Guildford Living Lab. In those activities, participants often ask about how they can reduce their exposure. To help them, we created HedgeDATE, a web-based tool that gives recommendations on how to reduce roadside exposure to air pollution using green infrastructure that acts as a passive barrier and a green filter between the traffic and nearby people. Now we are working towards an updated version that anyone can consult for context and advice on which sizes and species of hedge are best to minimize air pollution exposure. Learn all about HedgeDATE's new features in our next video.